I say if they can keep the dark tones like what they're apparently going to do with Sonic Lost World, and still keep the humor, like balance it, that would be awesome.
Oh yeah, I wanted to see that. Wisps, man.
I mean, that's actually one of the things I liked about Sonic 06. It had a much darker tone.
Yeah, but
even
now,
if its story was like,
yeah. Princess Elise, are we starting like Madonna again?
I honestly thought Amy had become the new Madonna.
Basically, yeah.
Because I mean, I always noticed Madonna has short shoulder length hair, so does Amy. They both wear a red dress, and they both have a huge crush on Sonic. Whether he likes them or not remains to be seen.
Yeah.
I actually just started. We're rolling.
Okay, hey guys, it's me, Speed Super Sonic at Sonic Boom, and today I'm getting ready to play Sonic Lost World. Oh, parkour. I forgot how you go forward fast.
I think it's the other stick.
I'll figure it out once I got it. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm not good at this. Spin dash is back, so I want to see where it goes. Oh. There we go. Oh, the left trigger.
You must have better ears than I do.
Yeah. Well, I'm
Hey Mario Galaxy fans, you might see that as a bit of Sky Station Galaxy there.
Oh, now for the cloud bouncing.
Sky Sanctuary much.
I think that's what the cloud represents. Gold cannon. It's a full experience for all you Sonic Hospital people that wonder everything about it.
here tonight. Is anyone excited for this event? Well, I think that pretty much says it all, doesn't it? So first and foremost, let me just say that it's so amazingly humbling to stand out here to see all of you fans who have come from so far away. So many of you who have come out here to celebrate birthdays and other events. Many of you who have flown or driven halfway across the globe and the country just to get here. So thank you from all of us for coming out.
Oh, my voice is squeaky.
Now then, as to what we have planned for you tonight, we've got a lot of really amazing stuff here at the event. First and foremost, has anyone gotten to play Sonic Lost World yet?
Yeah! Woo!
Excellent. We have the game on both the Wii U and the 3DS, so be sure to check it out. Second, we have a free merchandise area where you can get some merchandise just for coming out. Did anyone get their Chow bobblehead?
Yeah! Limited edition, yeah!
I have to ask, because we spent a lot of time working on those. Do you guys like them?
Yeah! Crane's little pet!
I feel extremely vindicated right now. Thank you guys so much. We've also got some t-shirts in there and some lanyards you guys can wear. And, as mentioned earlier, there is a special area where you can put your name in to enter in the raffle for tonight's trivia contest. So if you haven't done that, be sure to do that. Now, in addition to the trivia contest coming up later, we have a costume contest where the best of you, that's right, all of you in costume, are going to come up on stage and we're going to vote and see who we think is the best. Now, of course, we couldn't have a Sonic Boom with just me up here, so we've got some very special guests who have come all the way from Japan to be here, but there's a really special guest that I think we need to welcome on first. So, there's a blue hedgehog. Does anyone know what his name is?
Mr. Needlemouse!
Sonic out here, shall we? Can we say, Sonic, come on out!
Sonic, come on out, you!
Alright, welcome Sonic, thank you. Now, Sonic wants to say thank you for all of you guys coming out tonight at the event. Is that right, Sonic? He says that's right,
Mr. Needlemouse.
We've got a really amazing show tonight. Sonic is here, wants to welcome you all. Sonic is going to be around throughout the night, so keep an eye out for Sonic. And we've got some really amazing other Sonics out there in the crowd, I see. But first, we want to welcome on our musical performance, and I know many of you have